Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Shazahani binti Abdul Mohaimin, CF230080. We are from Group 1. Today, I would like to present our group project which focus on quality measurement and cost estimation for a double storage semi-detached residential house. This is our group member, Shaza Aisha, me, Anis Atira, Ain Atira, and Nurmadia. For introduction, this project focused on quality measurement and cost estimation for a double storage semi-detached residential house, applying the standard method of measurement SMM2 to measure work below lowest floor finish, labeled UBLFF, preparing taking off sheet, and bill of quantities. Estimate construction cost using 2025 rates, and justify the selected project location, procurement method, and professional practice.
For this project, we used the measurement or taking off method. First, we thoroughly reviewed all architectural and structural drawings to understand the project scope. Next, we systematically identified all measurable elements to ensure nothing was overlooked. Quantities were then calculated following the standard SMM2 rules, and all the measurements were recorded carefully in taking off sheets. Finally, we conducted cross-checks to minimize errors and ensure accuracy in our quantity estimation. Next, let's look at the method we use for cost estimation. First, the quantities from the project were transferred into Bill of Quantities or BQ. To determine the unit rates, we referred to reliable sources including the JKR rate online, known as RATOL, and the JKR schedule of rates. These rates were then adjusted to reflect current market conditions in 2025 and to account for the project's specific location in Batu Pahat. Finally, the estimated cost was calculated by multiplying the measured quantities by the adjusted unit rates, giving us a detailed and reliable cost estimate for the project.
The standard method of measurement 2, SMM2, is applied in this project to ensure that all quantities are measured consistently, accurately, and according to industry standards. SMM2 provides detailed guidance on how to measure different construction elements including walls, slabs, foundations, openings, finishes, and provisional items. By following SMM2 rules, the project team can avoid ambiguity and ensure that measurements are standardized across all work items, which is essential for preparing a clear and reliable bill of quantities. Applying SMM2 also helps in estimating costs systematically. For example, work items below finished floor level, such as substructures, are measured precisely according to the classes in SMM2, ensuring that no material or labor is overlooked. It also provides a framework for handling variations, additions, or provisional sums, which improves transparency and accountability in cost estimation. Overall, SMM2 allows the project team to produce professional and verifiable documentation that can be used for tendering, cost control, and academic analysis. The Design Bid Build (DBB) procurement method is selected for this residential project because it is simple, well-structured, and widely used in standard housing developments. In DBB, the design is completed first, and then contractors are invited to bid based on the finalized drawings and bill of quantities. This ensures that the construction is carried out according to a fully developed design, which reduce uncertainties and avoid major design changes during construction. The clear separation of responsibilities between the designer and the contractor helps minimize disputes and ensures that both parties focus on their defined roles. For small to medium-scale residential projects like the proposed double-story semi-detached houses in Batu Pahat, DBB provides reliable cost estimation, predictable scheduling, and clear contractual obligations, making it a practical and efficient choice.
Key findings for quantity measurement First, SMM2 provides a clear and structural measurement framework. SMM2 gives a standard rules for measuring and describing construction work, ensuring consistency and clarity in quality measurement. Second, proper taking of improved accuracy of quantities. Careful taking of reduce errors and ensure quantities measured from drawings are accurate and reliable. Next, flat site assumption simplifies WBLFF measurement. A flat site avoids level difference, making WBLFF quantities easier and faster to measure. And the last one, standard residential design reduces measurement uncertainty. Simple and repetitive layouts reduce complexity, resulting in more accurate and consistent measurement. First, construction costs increased significantly from 2014 to 2025. Construction costs have risen over this period due to economic growth, inflation, and changes in the construction industry, resulting in higher overall project expense. Next, main factor influencing cost increase. First, material price escalation. The prices of construction materials such as cement, steel, and aggregates have increased due to higher production costs, supply chain disruption, and increased demand. Second, labor to cost increase. Labor wages have increased because of minimum wages revision, labor shortage, and higher living costs, directly impacting construction costs. Third, market rate change. Fluctuation in market condition, including inflation, fuel price, and economic policies have caused changes in construction rates over time. Next, use of update JKR rates improve estimate reliability. Using the latest JKR rates reflect current market condition, resulting in more accurate and realistic construction cost estimates.
Professional and ethical responsibilities in construction estimations. First, transparency in executions is important to ensure all measurement and costs are clear and understandable. Accuracy in quantity measurements is achieved by following SMM2 and also JKR standard. Ethical estimation also ensure fair pricing and reliable project planning, which help prevent dispute and cost overruns. So in conclusions, this project successfully applied the standard method of measurement SMM2 to measure quantities and prepare the bill of quantities for double-story semi-detached house. The cost estimations was based on 2025 rates with proper justification of location and procurement method. This project demonstrates the importance of professionalism and ethical responsibility in construction estimation. Thank you.